it's Kathy with Fantastic Hobbies. Just coming on here with a little bit of a collective haul. Not a whole lot, a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So the first place I went, well, not the first place, but one of the places I went was Michael's. And actually, I think this was on maybe 2 trips. Um, well, the first time I went by and picked up a new trimmer because while I love, I had this one right here. And I think I actually had got this off of Amazon. And guys, this thing is wonky, and I got kind of tired of not cutting straight cuts. Not square cuts, I guess you would say, because I don't know if it's this upper bar, or I can tell too by the top and the bottom that this is off. So I never knew where it was like square at. So I went and got me a new one, but I do love this little wire here. That helps me a whole lot. So I did go and pick up a new one, and I seem to really like this one better. I picked this one. The original one I had got, I think, off of Amazon. And this one I got at Michael's, and it seems to be squarer. And I wonder if on Amazon they sell off the, like, seconds. You know what I mean? Anyway, so that seems to be a lot better. And I've been working on, I thought I would do some different kinds of gift cards. So the Party Planner Papery put one out recently, and so I've been trying my hand at it, but I don't have, so I'm using just what I just recently bought. And I've not got into my stash yet, so I don't know if I have any 3x4 cut aparts. So in my new stuff, I haven't found very many 3x4. I found some 3x3s so far. But what I decided to do, this is with the Holly Jolly set. And I thought I would just use the ephemera. And so I'm having to, like, I don't know. To me, this front, without that 3x4, this looks kind of plain. So I've been trying to figure out how to jazz that up. But I think this one turned out really cute. And this is where your gift card holder would go. If you haven't saw her video, go check it out. I'll link it in the description below. But I thought I would try just various types of gift card holders and maybe offer them up to the neighborhood and see if I get any bites that way. But anyway, so on some of these I'm working on, I don't have any like writing on the front. It's just like trying to use up this ephemera. It's just like a Santa Claus or something. So I did want a little bit more sentiment. So I did go, I had like a $5 reward. So I picked up these 2 stamps right here. And I thought they were awful cute. I may already have this one. I hope I don't. But I'm not sure what's in my stash. So I picked those up at Michael's, and I think that's the only thing I have picked up at Michael's. Dollar Tree. So I noticed they had these colored index cards, and I don't remember seeing these there recently. So I went ahead and picked those up. And I did pick up, they had some gold paint. This is metallic. I hope that it's okay. I thought if I wanted to paint those shakers that I had bought at Michael's, because they're not like finished, that would work for that. So I picked that up. And I picked up this ribbon because I don't know, I just thought it was very pretty. I've been looking at it the last couple times that I've been to Michael's, and I just decided to go ahead and pick it up this time. They still had it. And they had this notepad, and I thought, I don't really like that front, but what I'll probably do is just harvest the paper out of it, because I thought that was awful pretty. It is front and back, to use different places. So I picked that up. And then I picked up a new frame because I dropped mine that's on my desk and broke it. I was taking the Halloween stuff out of it, and it fell off and I broke it. So I wanted a new one. So I picked this one up. And then I picked up some pencils, 2 packs of pencils. Like, I really need all these pencils. But I picked them up nonetheless. And I just thought they were really cute. And I picked up a basket. I don't know if I can get this basket in here or not. But it's not a very large basket. But this was with their Christmas stuff, and I always can use more baskets for storage of stuff. So that is my Dollar Tree. And then I did place an order at scrapbook.com, and they sent this gift guide. I guess they were out of the, or maybe they didn't have it yet. I can't remember. It was the magazine. Maybe it's in my cart, and I probably won't get it now because I haven't placed that order yet. But these are the free items I got. They had this little cute snowflake stamp. Thought it was really cute. And then they had this iCraft Deco Full toner mix card kit. And I'm not sure, I went ahead and got it, but does anyone know, can you use this with a regular laminator? It doesn't say, it says toner mix, so I'm not sure. I'm not up on this full and how it gets used. So I'll have to like read up on this and see how to use it. But I've been curious about that as to whether you can use that in a regular laminator. And this was also free. It's a TCW layered stencil A2 card 4-part. Thought it was cute. You can always use something like that. What I actually ordered was this Yuletide set. You know how they do the live stream specials. And I went ahead and picked it up. I don't think I have anything like this. And I did like it. So I thought I would pick it up. And it's a really cute set, very vintagey. And it came with the paper pad, and it has some rub-on transfers. It's really pretty. And then it came with this die set. And I could always use the foliage, you know. And there's a bow here, of course. And then you get the Christmas Joy and the Merry Christmas. And, oh, this got off to the side. But it also came with this stamp set, which I thought was pretty darn neat. And then it has shape dies to go with it. So I thought that was pretty cool. And then this is, I did go ahead and get also the 6x8 pad, because I don't know, sometimes I am wanting, you know, you're wanting larger sheets. But I just thought this was very, very pretty. Let me do it like this so you can get both sides at the same time. Let's make sure it's focused. But you get 5 sheets of each pattern, and there's 40 sheets. So I just thought it was really pretty, different from what I already had. I'm glad you get some like semi-solids in here because it helps the back stuff. Isn't that pretty? The back of it. And then this is really pretty. I'll show it to you head on. My camera is looking kind of grainy, but there's the back to that. Just sort of a textured looking solid. That's a pretty pattern. It's pretty. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. I like the colors. Like I said, I like blues for winter. See, that's pretty. I like that. I think that's what really sold me. I think somebody had made a card with that pattern, and I don't know. I just thought it was really, really pretty. So, unless I see something really spectacular, I don't think I'll be buying much more Christmas paper, but you know, that's what you always say, and then something comes out. I do know, I think there was one by Simple Stories called Hard Candy. I would like to get it, but we'll see, we'll see. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.